Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Once again, we are going to do another unboxing for urBeats 3. This one is a little bit special. It's from their Decay collection, which is a black and red one. So 3 months ago, we did an unboxing for a black one, and a few weeks later, they released this color. And I really want to get it, but I don't want to spend $100 to get another pair. But this week, I found out there is a sales event in Best Buy. It's only $60, which is a lot cheaper than the black one I bought for $74. So I decided to grab another pair. And since we just did an unboxing for the black one 3 months ago, for this one I don't want to go into too much detail. Instead, I want to focus on how the earphone looks like and do a little bit of comparison. So let's get started. First difference we see is that he used a black case, and we also see that it's a 10 years Decay collection logo here. Cannot believe this brand has already been around for 10 years. The first time I heard about Beats was actually in 2011. And if we look at the earphone here, it's a black and red color. It's their signature color. Also, I picked up the 3.5mm plug again. I was thinking to get a lighting one, but in the end I still think this one is much useful. So let's just look around the box. So the side, pretty much the same. They just add a Beats logo here. And for the other side, it seems like they changed their slogan here. So since day one, it's been all about the sound from Dr. Dre, and the regular one is just like people are not hearing all the music. And now let's look at the back. So in the back is pretty much the same thing. The difference is they use the actual product here, and this one is an illustration. One thing I want to point out here is it says it's a tangle-free flat cable. It's not really a tangle-free. I mean, I use this earphone in the gym like every day. Once in a while, I still need to deal with a tangle issue, but for sure, it's a lot better than those earphones from the iPhone. So now let's just open to see what we have inside. Okay, now let's open it. So I remember we need to open from here and lift the cover. Okay. So first thing we see is the earphones. We'll check it later. And next thing we see is those accessories again. So same as before. So let's just quickly look into those menu sticker. So same thing. This is a menu, if I remember correctly. Yep. And there's a sticker here, and those safety information. So same. A little bit disappointed. I thought they might have included some special, like a different kind of like sticker for this special edition, but I guess it's not. And those two ear tips and ear wings. I never really used this actually. And now let's look at the back. So this carrying case. So this is a red one actually. So let's look at it. Let's remove this. Let's remove it. Okay, so it's a red carrying case. Let's look around. So it's a red one instead of black. So we see the logo here. In the back they have this 10 years logo here. And when I did unboxing this time, I have a little bit of complaint about this one because I personally prefer the original one. But someone left a comment say this one is actually more expensive. But the problem is it's not really useful. I mean, this is basically how I use it. And as you can see, I cannot even carry this around. So when I need to travel around, go to the office, I still use this one. And by the way, this is the first generation of the Power Beats. So even though this one is more expensive, but I still think this one is more useful. So that's for the carrying case. Now let's look at the earphone. So we have the 10 years logo here again. And let's open it. Okay, you see the cable here. And I remember last time I have some hard time to remove it. So let's try it. Okay, so that's for the earphones here. Okay, let's take a close look. We see a red logo here, and same we can put together. I personally think this feature is more useful for like the wireless one, like Beats. X, I think. And here is the remote control, pretty much the same as the black one. And we see the red cable. Here is the 3.5 mm plug. Okay, so let's take another close look here. So that's for the earphones. That's it. So I think I'm going to use the black and red one on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and for Tuesday and Thursday I'm going to use the black one. I will also include an unboxing video for this one in the end. If you are interested, you can go to check it. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more unboxing in the future.